Have you ever felt like your workplace is submerged under a wave of apps and chat services? Do you find your team wrestling with communication overload, struggling to find the right balance? We're diving into this common and critical challenge in today's Tuesday Tech Update. Let's kick things off with a surprising fact. Despite the numerous digital communication tools available today, a recent study reveals that 4 out of 5 workplace contacts still occur through good old email. It's clear that the digital revolution hasn't entirely changed our working communications as we'd all expected. And let's not forget that endless cycle of unproductive video meetings. They were supposed to be a solution, but for many, they've become part of the problem. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it is a productivity killer, especially at this time of hybrid working. So what's the solution? More apps? More tools? Not necessarily. The answer might be less about adding and more about optimizing. It's time to consider a more strategic approach to our digital work environment. Imagine a scenario where communication is streamlined, where each tool and application is carefully selected to improve, not hinder productivity. This is where working with a technology strategist can be transformative. They can help create a tailored plan that matches technology with your business objectives, ensuring that your team has the right tools to work efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. As we move forward in this hybrid work environment, let's focus on making communication not just more frequent, but more effective and efficient. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us continue bringing insightful tech updates and solutions to everyday work challenges. That's it for today's update. Stay tuned for more next week as we explore the latest technology and how it can positively impact your work and daily lives.